Hi everyone, I have made this video to explain few of the which can be used in the stock market to make risk-free returns. But these returns will be very low, and it could almost be equal to the rate of interest you get in the bank, or could be lower. But if you do the proper scanning, it could be higher too. So let me explain the trick. So the trick is that as we know that if we buy a stock, so suppose there is a stock S, and if you buy the stock, then with the time, as the stock price will increase, you will get profit, and if stock price decrease, you will get a loss, right? So this is your return, right? And this is your stock price, right? So instead of buying the stock, the other option is to buy a call. So if you buy a call, then in that case your return looks something like this, but you do not have any loss, because this is an option for you. So only if stock prices increase, then you get a return. So this is your call option, right? So if you sell a put, so this is the call. If you sell a put, then if you sell a put, then in that case this graph will look very similar to the stock price. So this is your return. So that will look very close to what you have for stock. So now what you can do is you can uh, do two things. Either you buy the stock and then sell this combination. So sell call minus put. So in that case, it doesn't matter if stock goes up or down. The value for this instrument will not change at all. And the other option is to do the other way, that is call minus put plus stock. Oh, sorry, minus stock. That's another choice. So these are the two ways, but this way makes more sense, because in that case you are making an investment, you're putting the money in. So theoretically this instrument should have always have return, and this instrument should not have a return, but you never know. So if you keep your eye, so if you can always look at the call and put option together and try to calculate these numbers, you will see that for certain stocks you can get up to 3% return, depending on market scenario or what time you buy these options. So and it is possible for you to get a monthly investment, or it's also possible for you to get a yearly investment. So in that case, this return, you will get this return irrespective of where the stock goes up or whether the stock goes down. So this is one also this is also called the call put parity, but we have certain videos which will explain this. But this is a very simplistic view of looking at it. We are not taking any account of the dividend, and we are not taking any account of the other interest rates which can be used. But if you want to lend money, or if you want to invest uh, in some passive, you are a passive investor and you don't want to take any risk, so this is one of the possible ways to invest in stock market risk free. So I hope this video makes sense to you, and I'll talk about more concept in finance in the more videos. Thank you.